Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. My name is Katie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your codes for in BloxBurg, but to copy codes off vehicles. So I got this from vehicles, and I actually made this. And yeah, you can search it on YouTube. Or if you want me to, I can actually make a video on how to make this. But yeah, I made it a long time ago, so I don't know how to make it, but I could probably maybe look it on YouTube for just give it a reminder, because I know what video it is, but I just forgot what it was, how to do it. So yeah. And I know this is strange, but we have this animal writing thingy, and I'm recording. Sorry. We have this animal writing thingy, and it's where you have to do human danger, how to avoid injuries, size and appearance, habitat, and I did all of them. I did 3 actually, and I did this one first, and yeah, I stopped, I took a little break, I don't know why, and yeah, and then I did this one, human danger, and that one was habitat, the one I just showed you, and I didn't stop after this one, because my dad had to go with Brady too, because he was going to a basketball game, and then this was my last one. It's kind of short, I feel like. Hold on guys, sorry. $13, $14, $15. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, and 13. Let's see. 13, 14, 15. So 3 more sentences. And the human danger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So my highest one was the habitat, and that was my first one. But yeah, and I got this is kind of weird because my first one was the longest, and then my second one was medium, and then my last one was the shortest. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. Let's get on with the video. I'm talking about 2 minutes. Sorry, I wasted 2 minutes. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this. So yeah, I'm going to do it in here because, yeah. Okay, so this is my little daycare area in here. But first of all, what you want to do is, I forgot how to go to vehicles, honestly. So what I just did is I went to my inventory. You guys can do this too. Go to your inventory, vehicles, and then over here it says get more. You want to do that. And then you can search up anything you want. I'm just going to search up, yeah, this is I don't even know. Let's search this up. I actually want to search this up. Yeah, I thought that. Let's just search up, let's see, cotton candy. Okay. But, actually, hold up. Vehicles. Sorry. So after you have found one you want, I'm just going to click on, this one. And what you do is you see these codes right by library. You want to copy this. I couldn't copy it, so you might just have to write it down like I did. I just don't want to share that. It's something about school. It's just a website, I don't know. So yeah, that was my code, and I actually made a decal, and if you comment down below, again, I already said this, but if you want me to show you how to do it, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. So after you copy it, or just write it down on a paper, go to your Roblox jailbreak. Sorry, I'm always play jailbreak, that's why. BloxBurg, and then, okay, I don't want to play with this card. Change picture, and then type it in, or just copy it. But I didn't copy it. I don't know why. So I'm actually going to go back. So yeah, this is I have actually made. I didn't know how to sell it. I was a new back then. And it was actually December 18th. 18th. No, 8th. So yeah. Are these off sale? I'm getting these. That was in 2009. That's when I was born, guys. Wait. Hold on. Wait, I need to see that for a second. Sorry. Okay, this. Hold up. August 21. My birthday's August 13th. So I would be like a couple days old. That's insane. We can even count. 13. No. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How much is that? Here. There we go. That is, so I have 10 on this and 3. So, 5 on this, sorry. 5 plus 3, 8. So I would be 8 years old. 8 days, years. 8 days, years. I can't talk. 8 days old. There we go. So yeah, didn't know how to sell it because I was a noob. But all you have to do, for me, I just copied that. I actually wrote it down, as you can show you on the sticky note thingy. And yeah, so all you want to do is go back on here. I'm just going to copy it from my paper. So mine was, and if you guys, you can copy mine if you want. 1, 2, 2, 9, 9, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4. I wasn't typing. That was great. Okay, sorry guys. 2, 9, 9, 2, 2, 9, 9, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4. I did it wrong. But guys, I just put in a random number. Guys, listen to my mouth and you'll probably get this. That was funny. Okay, hopefully we can do this right. 1, 2, 2, 9, 9, 5. I might have did it on my keyboard wrong. 3, 4. There we go. I was like, are you serious? So this is how you do it. Oh my gosh, I have to pay house bills. Watch my 6 right there. It's 5 now. Anyways, but that is how you do it. Oh wow, I am so low. Oh gosh. But yeah, and then I did derp for this one, and then that, and then on this one it's the opposite. That GIF palm. I think it's GIF palm. I think it's like close to it actually. And the other dog, it used to be on there, as you can tell. The one that I just showed you guys. But guys, I am really slow. We're gonna actually hire this up. Let's get some coffee for our energy. Don't want to sleep, so we're just gonna use our money. Yeah, that's great. Okay, there we go. And my hygiene. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you want me to show you how to how to make your decals, and yeah, or do you want me to make more vlogs, or comment down below what you want me to do, because I would love to do it, and yeah. And if you want me to do more baby life videos, guys, I know. Oh, I got this snowflake face, 3,000 Robux. Yes, and look how much I have, 340. There you go. Anyways, guys, but you probably are asking, but you never do baby lives. Are you even going to do them anymore? I did get actually $2 for Christmas. That is 4. I'll just do that too. And it's stock and Sarah because I got it. Well, my parents already, my mom already knows, and I didn't like it. It was short and like uneven. So I got another one. I haven't even unboxed it. And then I got another one. It's like I forgot how to call it, but like I think my mom got it from Target and my dad, but my mom went shopping this year because my dad had surgery on his arm. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of short. I mean, that 9 minutes and 47 seconds now. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what you want me to do next. And if you want me to show you how to get how to make a decal, like a photo, you know, to put on BloxBurg, or just in general. And yeah, bye! Peace, Dabba. Ha! Bye.